Our jQuery course has 12 tutorials, and in this course you are going to learn the class method of CSS. If we want to add or remove a class on any HTML tag with the help of jQuery, then for this we have three basic methods in jQuery here. addClass means to add a new class, removeClass if there is one already, and lastly there is toggleClass. The toggleClass works as both addClass and removeClass. If the class is applied, it will remove it. If it is removed, it will apply it. So let's see how to use these three practically. Look here. Here we have created a simple HTML document in our HTML editor, and here there is a heading at the top. Below it is a heading, and inside it there is a subheading and a paragraph. Below we have given three buttons to add a class, remove a class, and toggle a class. Now these three are not working, so what class should be assigned to them? I have created two classes above. Look here, one named first and one named second. In the first, I have set the background color as purple, and in the second class, I have set the color as chocolate. Look, I'm going to come down first. So here I am starting with my method called addClass. For that, look here. First of all, I want to click on this button that we have taken, so I want to set the ID on it. And so I have put an ID on it. Here is the add button. Look, I start from here. So first I take the selector, and here I take the hash because this is the ID of the add button, and I want to work on its click. So I have used a method called click here, and inside it I have created a function, and inside the function I have put presses, and here I have put my own, and lastly I am starting here. Now what do I do first inside it? Here I take the dollar, and inside it I want to target this dip. So I have seen a box with an ID. Look here, I take the hash box here, and what do I want to set on it? I don't want to put a class on it. I want to put a class on it. First, look, the method I will use for this is called addClass, and here inside the inverted course, I have to give the classes that I have to put in. I have put a single class. The method I will use is called addClass, and here in the inverted course, I have to give the C that I want to add classes to. I can add a single class, and I can also add multiple classes. So see, first of all, I am adding a single class whose name is first, and C, I saved the file here. There is a mess here because I have added a script. As soon as I click on the addClass, purple colors are added here. In the background, you can see it. I can also show you by inspecting it. Look here, not in the console. Look here, I can inspect it and show you. Look, here on the box, the class first is added. But as soon as I refresh the page, no class is added to the box. But as soon as I add it, the class first is added here. I have added the color side to the first. I can also add two classes at the same time. Look, I can also see the space here and the second class. I give it the name second, and in second I have set the color to pink, and look here I have added. It looks like, and on the first I have set the color as background color 10. I can also apply two classes at the same time. See, I have given the space here, see the second class, also called second. And in the second I have made the cricket side pink. And see here I clicked on the add click button on the page. Then see here both the classes are applied. But if you are familiar with CSS, then you will know that if we apply two classes and the same property is used in both, then the second one gets priority over the last one, so its color which I have applied on the site above, see what is done on the print side, then that color is applied on it. So you see I can also apply two classes at the same time here. I want to tell you one more thing, that I can apply same classes on two selectors at the same time. See, like I have the class named second. I want to apply the class to the box, and if there is a tag named heading 1 anywhere on the page, I want to apply it to that too. Look, I saved the file here, and when I clicked on it, the background color was also set on the heading 1 above, because the class was applied to it too. You can see the second here and below, our second. Now there is our second method called removeClass. Let's see how to use it. I want that if I click on it, if there is a class applied to the box named second, it will be removed. For that, I copy it. And here I have put the ID of this button on it. I have put the ID of the remove button in it. I want it as soon as I click on the button of the remove button. Then the box one, which is our box, the true box, the remove class will be done. See, which is the remove class, the second one. So I save the file here. See, first I add the class. See here the class has been added to the box. And as soon as I remove here, see the class will be removed from here. The heading from above has not been removed. Only the boxing has been removed. Because I have only removed the box class, and if I add two classes here, see I have added two classes here, first and second. I save the file again. Now see, two classes have been added here, but right now the second one is getting the property. Its color is being set to pink. But when I remove it, see, the second class has seen how we can use the addClass and the removeClass. Now I will show you the last method, which is our method, which is called toggleClass. So for this, I copy it again, and here is our button. Look here, double click. I have put an ID on it, tab button. So as soon as I click on the toggle button, the toggle class will be on the box. What does toggle class mean? If it doesn't have seconds, I am also giving it a class. If it has, it will remove it. But I saved the file here and see. I clicked on the toggle, a class called seconds was added. I clicked again, it was removed. You are seeing this. And if I go here and add a class, you have already added two classes, first and second, but this toggle will only work on the second. See, once it is added, once it is removed. So you understand how toggle class works. If it is not added, it will add it, and if it is added, it will remove it. In the next video, I will tell you how we can add inline CSS from JavaScript to any HTML. Don't tell me to watch that video on the tag. Thanks watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe.